AODD pumps do not fail because of only bad parts. They fail because of wrong servicing sequence. In this video, I am going to talk about step by step how to service an AODD pump properly. Follow a simple step by step method. Step 1. Isolate the pump. Stop the air supply. Close suction and discharge lines if required. Make sure there is no pressure inside the pump. Step 2. Clean the outer body. Before opening the pump, clean the outside area. This will help avoid dirt entering inside during the servicing. Step number 3. Identify the problem first. Check what is failing, whether the diaphragm is failing, the ball is failing, seat is failing, air wall is failing. Apart from that, also check whether there is any leakages or it is giving a low flow. Pump not starting. Do not open blindly. Step number 4. Note the model and part details. Check the nameplate. Confirm the pump model and spare kit before dismantling. Step number 5. Open the pump in sequence. Remove fasteners carefully. Keep parts in order. Do not mix air side kit and wear side kit together. Step number 6. Inspect all wearing parts. For example, check for diaphragms, balls, seats, O-rings, shafts and air valve parts. You just inspect for swelling, cuts, cracks, chemical attacks, wear marks. Step number 7. Clean internal parts properly. Remove dirt, residue and old deposits. A clean assembly gives better service life. Step number 8. Replace damaged parts with correct match parts. Do not use almost same parts. Correct fitment and correct material are very much important. Step number 9. Reassemble carefully. Fit the parts in proper direction and sequence. Tighten properly and evenly. Do not over tighten the fasteners. Step number 10. Test before putting into full operation. Before putting into full operation, check for leakages, abnormal sound, flow issues, dry stroke or air leakage. So remember, good servicing is not just opening and fitting parts. It is inspection, cleaning, correct identification, correct replacement and proper reassembly. If you want our help identifying the correct pump model and correct servicing method, please let us know into the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video.